Since quails are small birds, it is easy to set up a quail farm. But for a successful quail business, you need to be equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills. So watch our video today to see how America rangers raise quails. How the American farmers raise 99 million quails every year. In the US, they use a very modern quail rearing system, which is a barn automation system. It will have 24/7 insight into the current situation in all of the poultry houses. Here the quails will live in a modern environment with the most advanced equipment. Typically separate cages, automatic feeding systems, LED lighting system, ventilation systems, and temperature controlling systems, especially the egg flow control system with egg collection and handling. First, they will collect the quail eggs from their own farm for incubation in an artificial environment with a suitable temperature. Ultimately, choosing an incubator will depend on how large that you want to incubate quail eggs. As not all quail breeders incubate eggs, and many people buy small quails from other breeders, or they buy fertilized eggs when they want more quails. Just like if you keep the chickens in a greenhouse or outdoors, before producing eggs, quails also need to be cared for carefully, providing high-quality, nutritious, and balanced quail food that is vital to maintaining a successful and profitable quail farming business. Since the quails are smaller birds, they need less food per day. As a bird of prey, quails need more protein in their diet. As you should learn about the common diseases that affect quails, their symptoms, and how to prevent them, as in particular, regular cleaning of cages and the bird droppings are also a way to prevent disease. And this is how an automatic machine does it. The modern method of raising a quail and an automatic floor system like this will make it easier than ever to collect the bird eggs. Specifically, the elevator that will collect all the eggs in each floor and then transport them to the sorting table via an inclined conveyor. After the eggs are automatically collected on the elevator spindle, they will be aggregated to the conveyor belt for sorting. Next, the bird egg trays are put into the washing system and disinfected by ultraviolet rays. As the eggs are then moved to a system to check the eggshell. If there are no problems, the eggs continue to move to the egg weight detector to be placed in a suitable box and packaged for delivery to consumer. In addition, the larger farms will also sell to factories that produce a large number of quails for meat. This automatic quail slaughter line is ideal equipment for the quail slaughtering and processing, also suitable for processing chicken, duck, geese, and other poultry. Process developed equipment includes feather pluckers, plucker for hoof cutters, pre-coolers, poultry slaughter equipment, and design standard equipment and producing according to the user. Quail meat or their eggshells are the great food. Although small, they have a lot of health benefits, especially the quail eggs. Also have a beauty effect, helping to beautify the skin and care for the hair and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And this is the end of our video for today. If you find it interesting, please leave a comment down below to let us know. And don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to support the channel. For now, goodbye, and see you in the next video.